In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a call recording on GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to turn on call recording and what to check, so your calls are captured reliably and compliantly. First, sign in to your GoHighLevel account and open Settings. You'll find this in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Think of Settings as the control center for your workspace. Everything related to how your account behaves lives here, including phone and voice features. Inside Settings, select Phone System. This is where you manage phones, routing, and voice configuration. We're heading here because call recording is part of the voice environment, not a general account toggle. Within Phone System, open the Voice section. Voice is where features like SIP, call handling, and recording live. Once you're in Voice, look for the call recording area. This page provides context about how recordings work and importantly reminds you that recordings are controlled at the phone number level. That means there isn't a single master switch for the entire account. You decide which specific numbers will record calls. Next, click Phone Numbers. You'll see the numbers connected to your location. This is key. You must have at least one phone number in your account to enable call recording. If there's no number here yet, add one first through your usual number setup process, then return to this screen. When your number appears on the list, select it to access its settings. Within the phone number's settings, locate the call recording option. This is where you enable or disable recording for that specific number. Turn on call recording to maintain a record of voice calls handled by this number. Make sure to save your changes so the setting takes effect. From now on, calls routed through that number will follow the recording behavior you chose. A few important tips as you wrap up. Always comply with local laws and regulations related to call recording. Some regions require notifying all parties that a call is being recorded, so add a clear disclosure to your call flows or agent scripts if needed. Let your team know which numbers are recording and why, so everyone is aligned. Remember that recordings are stored within your account, so confirm you have appropriate access and retention practices in place. That's it. You went to Settings, opened Phone System, navigated to Voice, reviewed call recording, then used phone numbers to enable recording where it matters. With those steps complete, you're ready to capture and review calls for quality, training, and accountability.